Hi, hello, welcome to IS Factors Daily Mains Challenge. Sorry for the late delay that we had in uploading few classes. Apologies for that. That was due to a small health issue that I had. I'm now so recovering better. So let's start day 17. I hope you understand, and I hope you're all writing until day 16. You all completed your answer sheets, so that's appreciated. Let's start with me, Arjun or Shankar, and let's go to the subscribe the channel and let's go to the daily mains challenge, 20 minutes challenge. I hope you are all on this, and this is also a topic which is also a bigger topic, and it cannot be completed in 20 minutes. But for the sake of writing, you have to complete it in 20 minutes. But I'm sure it's a topic which many of you who are not coming from a science background might have a small problem in understanding and decoding and realizing what this topic is all about. But this is a very important topic. Now, even economy is a part of this, so that is why we are discussing quantum powered economy. Niti Aayog has released a roadmap on transforming India into a leading quantum powered economy. So, economy part is one aspect. So, before you understand the economy part, you have to go and find and learn the basics of quantum. What is quantum computing, or what is the concept of quantum computing or quantum mechanics? What are the basics? You need to have a basic idea. So, first of all, take a look at this. You have a lot of quantum powered economy. Quantum roadmap wants India to catch the quantum bus. India to become the top three quantum economy. That is what we should be aiming at. So let's basically understanding what is quantum computing. So imagine this is a small example. Imagine that today's computers are very fast, like a librarian. So a librarian can go through one book very fastly. But quantum computer is like a librarian who can open many books at the same time, read multiple pages, every possible combination instantly. So you know why I gave you this example is to have a visualization of the speed and the magnitude of how it is very different and very fast. So this is basically the quantum computing part. So it uses qubits, so you should know what exactly is qubits, so which can be 0 1, both 0 and 1 at the same time. It's called superposition. So a lot of concepts, like you have to know what is entanglement, what is superposition. So know the basics of all this. What are qubits? And so what is the concept of the basic, it follows the basic principles of quantum mechanics. So what is the concept of superposition, entanglement, all these things? Know this idea in detail and find out why quantum computing is very special, and what are the types of quantum computers that you have to just have an idea, a brief idea about all this. And also, what exactly is the concept of qubits? What exactly does it do? And what quantum computers are really good at? Do you think quantum computing is good at everything? No. There are certain things which it is very good at. So what are the important things? Know about that. And know these concepts. It can be important. They're all related contents. What is the concept of quantum internet? And what is QKD or quantum key distribution? This appears in the newspapers every now and then. You must have heard about this. So it is an opportunity. Go back and learn about quantum internet. What is quantum key distribution? Know about this. And why is quantum computing? You should know the applications. So healthcare, finance, defense, cybersecurity, space, climate, energy, manufacturing. It has a lot of, see, all this is an important mains question itself. Quantum computing in healthcare is a question. In finance and defense is a question. Cybersecurity is another question. Space, climate, energy, man, it is all a different mains question that you have to understand, and especially identify what is, when it comes to quantum computing and whatever quantum related thing. How is India's position? How is India gearing up for this? You have the NQM National Quantum Mission. So what exactly is this National Quantum Mission? This is also another question. How India is gearing up for this? So definitely when India gears up, there is going to be definitely a lot of challenges. We will have a lot of talent shortage, limitation of facilities, brain drain, funding limitation. Is our industry ready for that? What are the opportunities and what are the challenges? So opportunities is also a part of this. And what do you think is going to be the risk and challenges in India? Definitely there are opportunities, definitely there are risks associated with this, and definitely there are different challenges associated with this. So know about this. And the next important concept is, apart from the technology part, know what is quantum economy. It is where an economy where quantum technologies like quantum computing, quantum communication, quantum sensing, quantum materials are whatever things we can produce out of this goes into the economy. We can sell it, we can use it as a service. So whatever quantum related concept is turning and churning in money for the economy, that is quantum economy. Just like we had the internet era, we have the AI era, now it will be going to be the quantum economy era. So that is the next thing. So why is it called an economy? We just explained it in detail. So I think these are the important dimensions. Starting from science, you need to slowly go into the economic aspect also, GS2, so GS3, and put it in the GS3 economy and tech perspective. So let's go to the mains question. We have 250 words, 15 marks, 3 pages to write, day 17. What do you understand by the term quantum economy? How can India build a quantum ready workforce? Discuss institutional, educational, and industrial reforms needed. So, this is a very simple question if you learn this, but let's break the question, let's deconstruct the question. 3 pages, already the question is printed. Write an introduction, a very crisp introduction about all these things, which summarizes this, and definitely you'll write a good conclusion too. So, what is the body? You have 3 pages, so write the introduction and conclusion, and in between you have the body. The body should definitely have, you should explain what quantum economy is all about. And once you define it, you should write about how India is ready with the quantum workforce, or how can India build a quantum workforce. Write that. And in the third part, divide it into three, or write, make sure that you attempt all the important points: institutional, educational, and industrial reforms. Make sure that you mention all those things in the answer, then the answer is going to be really good. Okay, so please do attempt the question, do subscribe to our channel, and keep up. And again, apologies for the delay that happened in the last 3 days. So now we are starting it, so keep picking up the pace. Thank you. Good night.